hot spring.
And then
60.
60?
Yeah. Cheap.
R.I.P. Kobe Bryant.
This is a restaurant. This is so cute.
On his head! Mosquitoes.
Where?
As far away from
You think it's maybe there?
Right there?
Yeah, it's the same everywhere. No, it's not.
That's insane.
Out, you demons! Out! Look, they're all gone.
There's a moth in my soup right now. I'm gonna be pissed.
Sam, you gotta change your friend group. It's stressful driving here, bro. Did anyone find it?
I think they kind of like it.
Oh my gosh, bro. Look out here. Come here.
Oh my lord.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Ew. That's what John the Baptist was eating. Good morning. This is day 2. On our agenda, we have a coffee shop for Vlad because he's cranky this morning. So we gotta get him some coffee, and then we're gonna go check out a waterfall. Vlad is automatically so much happier right now, just because he got his latte.
Who said I wasn't happy?
Eric goes around and there's a moped. Eric just completely stops in the road.
About to hike a waterfall. We excited to go swimming? Yeah, so ready. So hot.
Take my money. I'm a musician.
These are the smallest steps ever.
I look like he just got off my semi truck.
It's really refreshing. The climb up was a little steep, but it was really nice. Really nice. Oh, here we go. The group discount bargaining. What a gorgeous view.
No safety. No safety. Okay.
Harder, harder.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
John Cena.
1, 2, 3, push. Oh.
Yo, how nervous are you right now? Look how scary it is. Look how scary it is.
Let's do this.
Do it very, very hard for her. Very hard. To the moon!
That was so much fun.
So scary.
Survive.
Oh, record me now, papi. Good technique.
Just stopped by to grab these little bananas. They're so bomb good. Come on.
What?
He's sunk in them. just made it to our second waterfall.
How did I look in the pit lip?
There's an ice cream on a stick.
Oh yeah.
Let it go.
That is a mean guy.
He's a prick at flesh.
David's over here dying.
His eyes are bloodshot red. He said if it wasn't for the ice, he'd die.
That man's lying.
No, it's not that spicy.
Try it. Try it, retard. Thank you. If I swallowed, I promise I'd have to go out.
Oh, you didn't swallow either?
No.
Oh, you lucky.
He spit it out my plate.
As soon as I was about to swallow it, I felt something like ting, and I was like, nah, man, nah.
See this little pepper under some rice in David's food? Man will never be the same after today.
So that's big thing.
Trust is gone between us.
Chicken noodle, yeah.
Oh, that's fresh concrete, boys. Be careful. What the frick is up, guys? Welcome back to my vlog. Right here, we out in Bali, out in the rice terrains. I just drank a little fruit lychee candy juice. I'm buzzing.
I don't think I'm gonna finish this piece.
Very little portions, very high prices. We gotta stop eating at these hipster places. Trying to eat that nasi campuru, that chicken fried rice.
Vlad cannot live without his coffee, so
Hey, it was your decision.
actually it was your decision.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Quick dopamine session. Who's trying to unlock the workers' moped for like 30 minutes?
Dude, I almost crashed into like a whole barrel of like those trucks with a bunch of propane.
Skirt.
So, you guys want to do?
What up, boys?
Good morning, sunshine.
They hit you with that little panda bear this
Hit me with that yabba dabba doo. No, it's not a road. Oh, dang. Here's the end of our trail.
We have the luwak coffee, the 50,000 rupees.
That's what I've been waiting for this whole trip. The reason I'm here.
Boys, let's go. Take it.
Put it in. Go.
Oh!
Oh, damn. Take my money. Man, definitely got some rabies. Hey, yo. Aren't they just biting? So this is like.
This, the cherry beans coffee, it's the animal. The process on the body, only 24 hours in stomach in the enzyme and the poo. This one, the poop luwak. Okay, in the morning, I take in the poo and I washing only hot water for the 3 times. Okay, after this one, I take the one by one for the hand and I open for the skin. We have the 2 layers. Okay, after this one, I for the sunrise. The sunrise, the 1 day or the 2 day. After sunrise, I take the roasting, grind it, the finishing one, the filter. This is the aroma luwak.
Energy.
I was gonna jump on your head right now.
After this one, I for the sunrise. After sunrise, in the roasting.
Touch on the head, it's chill.
Dude, I came up and just touching that whole thing like in its stomach and everything, bro.
That's cool.
I'll do it again.
Can I give
No.
feet? No?
Be careful.
Hey, reaction time.
Oh, no, thank you. We just pulled up to this viewpoint here.
Is that Mount Batur or whatever? It's made in Bali.
Another one.
Brother, I said no thank you.
That's how they try to sell you stuff. I mean, look at this. It's crazy.
I don't want them for free. I don't want.
It's really sad.
How many? Buy it?
6.
They're really trying to make money.
Not included in price? Huh? Not included with hot springs?
Singing beach.
It's time to get hot. We pull up to the Balinese hot springs. They call them hot springs while they are just warm pools of water. We drove an hour and a half to get here.
It's so bad right here.
Watch out, watch out,
I wish I could have recorded your face.
Suey Mike on me, Suey Mike on 3. 1, 2, 3, Suey Mike!
It literally argues over everything.
Started turning Tony.
We have live coverage of first accident. Insurance calls are about to go down. Geico is about to be on the line.
What happens when you travel with younger brothers? They're little.
Tony's about to get his CDL revoked for causing a motorcycle.
We were on our way back home and we saw this night market, so we're gonna stop by and check it out.
I mean, we are local. We are local now. Dang, bro.
I don't know if that's Nutella again.
Hey, let's get something salty like corn or something and then have some of this.
Just get me back.
I love miso stray dog. It's actually fire.
It's good.
Hey, just unplug the wireless one and plug in Vlad's.
There's a bear on my property.
There's a mopeding.
That's what I was telling you guys. You guys drive like you guys are.
Boys, come on. Tony, how you feeling?
Sumatera, Kalimantan, Borneo, Sulawesi. Chronologic.
Dang is about to terrorize these rice fields.
Over there.
We got too hot, all sweaty. We're like, can we swim? They're like, what? You want to swim in this freaking swamp? We said, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Habibi! Come to Bali!
Out of 10.
11 out of 10.
No, okay.
11
Actually?
We'll give you an honest rating. Honest rating about a 7.5, 8.
Why are you talking so quiet?
For the reason of very touristy, but we still did what we wanted with their quads. Tore them up. Almost flipped them a couple times, but there's a lot of tourists out here.
We'll be back here tomorrow.
So nice, good, well done.
Yeah.
Experience probably like Paradise Island. 8.5. Very good, very good.
He's at 8.5.
Need a power nap?
I never said that. We're on to our next adventure, son.
Go, go, go!
Your ice cream is it?
There's water in the point. I was like, beep, 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 beep. Water, disconnect. We're walking in the jungle. All y'all, the way y'all were looking is hilarious.
Hey, when they give you all massages, like, when they rub your hands up here.
Ha! Oh! Ah!
Yeah, the dude caught tilapia.
We're done. We're cooked.
Way more than the seafood. What? I still try to monkey! Yo, monkey, how you been? Monkey want massage! Yo! No! No!
Quick little latte before we go get our massages. Just got a 90-minute massage. It was bussin'. Tony's cooked.
This is why we're here. The only reason we fly in here.
Cooked. Good morning. Last day here in Ubud. It was a mix between Uluwatu and Ahmed for me. The town is more advanced in its like food and activities and more touristy. It was nice because of all the greenery and the jungle and everything, but I need my ocean. I love my ocean, so Uluwatu was it for me. We're not sure how long we're gonna stay in Lombok, but that is our next destination for now. I am gonna miss these views like a lot, but super excited to. This has been Vlad every morning, waking every single boy up.
Just the normal morning dad duties. Waking all my children up. Rise and shine, baby. Boys come to Bali for one time out of the year to sleep 12 hours each night. Look at Bozo number 1. Man, got summoned. Eric, what country are you in?
Right, we're gonna go grab some coffee. That is what we need right now. Some lady just dropped this off right here for me, and she said, this is random, but this is for you. This is what it says. You are worthy. I'm so confused. There's nothing in it.
It's a prank. Bozo 2, 3, and 4.
Clouds! Yeah, Eric's like barely alive. I just gave that man like 6 pills of ibuprofen. Man always got some. You guys go to that store right there? By any chance or not? Which one? That! Oh, that one over there.
Did you get a burrito?
Thank you so much.
This is called Estetica.
Guys, Bali, here we are. That's the end of the trip. We're packing up, going to the airport. Got our boarding passes to Psych. We're going on an island.
Lombok.
We'll let him speak.
Hey, everybody slide them some money. They're gonna charge you.
Coca-Cola.
Amazing. You had a great time. Yeah. I drove 4 times. He's healthy now. He's good. You just need 30 minutes to recover. You're good.
Here, they don't have any motorized vehicles.
We're all aware. We need to get a horse and get the fuck out of here.
We booked the wrong island. Oops.
Nah, that's what we'll be doing tomorrow.
Horses to do 150. We're screwed on this island anyways. Get familiar with these horses, boys. Take your finger off. Oh, now we really out here. What have we gotten ourselves into?
Todd's allergies have begun.
My allergies have begun. They don't believe me when I tell them I'm allergic to horses.
You're saying local. Here we are. Ride by horse, no
I
motorized
told you,
vehicles.
when Eric would wake up, we'll be in Gili.
Bro, Vlad, the most funniest guy. When we were on the beach and we turned from the beach, I don't see why. Bro.
So these are our rides. Got my own little pink bike. It's like sandy too, so it's pretty hard. This is hilarious. just, you know, bicycling around town. It's the only way to get around, unless you got a horse. Okay, gotta turn on the 4x4. Oh, oh, there she goes. There she goes.
What happens when you let Eric look at well, you're in paradise. Look at this. You're riding a bike on an island. You cannot be blamed. Took us on an island. Everybody always gets on this.
Hello. Bike set. Pulled up on our bikes to get some breakfast. Coffee time, right on the water. Yeah, we have a snorkeling event booked, so it's gonna be 4 hours long. It's a little long, but it'll be fun. The UV is 12, so pray for us. Yeah. Overheated is an understatement.
I went last week shooting for Maki. In Ahmed.
Mine's good.
Huh? No speaker. No, do you guys have speakers?
Bro.
Stood up for 1 second. Seat's already taken.
Yeah, he said you in my seat, shorty.
Who is being harassed right now?
No.
They're 5 months.
And the freaking fish, huge fish is swimming past the front of you.
That's the only part of my body I'm worried about protecting is that and the back of your legs.
Good morning. It is a good day to be alive. I already got my cup of joe, so I am waking up slowly. Today's our last day on Gili Islands. We're on Gili Trawa. I don't know how to say it, but we're on one of them. Today we are going to go to Lombok by speedboat, grab some breakfast when the rest of the group wakes up, and then head on over to Lombok. Good morning, boys.
You know what it is.
They're
Every bird gets the worm.
There's coffee in the corner over there if you want some. Feels like we're in a third world country.
On my way to my dentist appointment.
We are checking out and our Uber has arrived. Hello.
Oh, shorty coat.
Ooh, we're going. We're moving.
Shorty.
Vlad's allergic to horsehair.
I'm counting down the seconds till I get off this thing.
This guy's allergic to anything that has fur.
He's still misfiring a couple cylinders, but other than that, it's pretty good.
I told Eric this morning that his mom replied to my story again. He's like, bro, just please block her. Filming.
But it is a GoPro Hero like 2+ mic.
It was enough. We out of here. AC? No AC. Ah, brother. Lamborghini have AC.
That's why it's a
I already feel it.
spicy food.
I bring.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Never come back here. Hey, does he know we paid?
I paid.
You pay him?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, my man taxing me twice.
Lamborghini.
Ken freaking been touring around his laptop this whole trip to take one for
I bring you just ran over my foot because you feel.
Your problem was an
You
accident.
broke my nail.
I didn't know. It was Eric. He had it.
Well, you're the one that pulled it. I literally told you to stop and you pulled it. Alright guys, be careful. You're welcome.
Stop, bro. I'm burnt. I'm burnt.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you. Oh, they handed Vlad a microphone.
Oh, no, I got the karaoke mic. We
Oh,
got the
no.
karaoke. Mira.
Sometimes I fear myself. I'm on the deep end. Watch as I'm diving.
He's like, can this drive be over? Taxi guy said, what have I got myself into? Million rupiah is not enough for this drive.
I can't read a mirroring I love. I thought would last. Lonely as a man without love. Every day I wake up, then I start to break up. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely as a man without love.
Who hurt this man?
Detroit Johnny Cash. Johnny Cash. Myself today.
Stuck that love at 44 beneath my head. I thought I was her daddy, but she had 5 more.
Oh, but the fire went wild.
On a little farther down the line.
I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Who did it to him?
Somewhere far away. Down for the foe, in the nine with the woe. Marlo might not, let's for show.
From the bush bungalow, you know what to make it clear. My voice now Figaro. Emerged from the darkness with my paper like a glow. We have a damasama stay to get low. Just cooking it up. Don't make a take you like who them to count. Do you have bike for everybody? I go just follow the trail?
Yeah, left side.
Okay.
Careful.
Okay. Holy smokes.
Oh my, please don't fall.
Yeah.
It is pretty though. Wow.
I get used to this.
It's not real, Leanne. It's not.
It's a
Bro.
Hey, I called it the master bedroom over there.
Is that a break I see?
Oh, that's a surf break.
Is that a surf break I see? Do I see no people? Do I see 0 people? So biggest reason we came to this island is because it is like Bali. They say it's like Bali 20 years ago, before the millions of people. And the last Airbnb we stayed at with the perfect break, we had this, but we didn't have the no crowd.
All right, little house tour. Okay, I'm coming. Wow. Hello. Vlad, where'd you go?
Upstairs.
Oh, you're upstairs?
You're cooked.
Why is there such nice places in the middle of nowhere in the world?
Wow, this Airbnb.
Eric is finally feeling a little better.
Oh, sending me to the metaverse right now. They know how to treat you right here. Hot brother, you're strong.
That's okay.
Who wants to jump in?
Go.
Let's go. Get a quick suey mic.
Hey.
The menu.
Oh,
Menu.
perfect.
Like three different restaurants.
So we made it to Lombok, and this is our villa for the next 3 nights.
Just pulled up to Kuta, ready to cause chaos in the city. Absolutely loving the vibes out here. Not a whole bunch of traffic everywhere you go. Not about to die on every single car that you try passing. So we're chilling out here for now. We'll see how it goes.
So we arrived in Lombok, in Kuta now, and we're about to go find some food. Everyone's starving.
Get some more Bali belly. I don't have enough.
Where we were, like Uluwatu, is like the Miami of Bali. It's crazy. It's so packed. So this is kind of nice. It's a nice change. Eric, you feeling better? No.
Can't shut down. What's that?
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. This dog is... Boys are coming in.
Knock him out right here.
Reverse that thing, Terry. You got abandoned in quick start.
Ready to get wrecked.
Oh, you going, sir?
You're out. You just fall back.
Well, a lady.
I was barely alive. I was dying in bed.
You did not want that food. You would have probably died.
Quicksilver just reached out to Leanna. She said, yo, we seen your stance.
David, are you okay? Are you good? What happened?
cold. Will not catch me walking up that hill ever again. Look, every time I sit.
Oh my. Wow.
We got views.
I feel like a cop. I'll scream that word out. Entschuldigung.
Found Sidniki all the way in Lombok.
Maybe
Lombok has his Sidniki. Can you believe that? I can't believe it.
What's this red stuff?
I would have never thought. Jam.
Chili sauce?
Jam. This is what we resort to.
Reality right here. I
Straight
think
up.
it's all fun and games, but really, it's just really hot.
On our way to check out some bat caves.
Live for life. Hellfire.
I was like, what is this?
Bro, what the fuck? Get me out of here.
Can you point me in the direction? Stay away.
Eric, smell it. Just smell it one time. No. My stomach is so weak right now.
Oh wow, this is pretty.
What is that?
The snake. Oh, hell no.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. This is literally what I imagine hell would be like.
I didn't know a snake can go up the wall.
Yeah, how did you get there? Where's the snake? Oh, my gosh. Such a scary sound, bro. Why we came here, I have no idea. Oh, shit! You have to walk through a minefield of these bugs. I think we needed that, bro. We needed a sneak peek of hell. Live a holy life.
That was awful.
Y'all see an exit? Because I don't.
That was 5 minutes, bro.
Brother, what? I think you all owe us $50,000 now.
Bro, I'm not kidding. This is where GPS is taking me.
Yeah, we're done. We are done.
Hold on.
Oh.
Dude, I almost ate it like 5 times already. I fell once.
Buddy, you're not gonna show me anything. Sit up, sit down.
No, do you have a cold one?
Each sound.
How much?
I'll buy another one. 10K.
How much money?
Give me
10. Lemele 15. Baru ya.
pada.
Ya.
Saya minta.
Yeah, I'll easily make it up there.
Oh no.
Why are these white boys trying to take the
We're
rentals all the way up
What is
there?
happening?
Why are these white boys trying to take the hardest trail on the island?
All right, let's
Think
go.
I'll make it?
Oh yeah. Oh no.
fuck.
Alright, let me get next. Let me get quick.
Wait, is this sand? Bro, can you guys believe that on Monday, you'll be back in your freezing state, doing boring things, but we're here. We're here thousands of miles away. Just unreal stuff, man.
This is our last day here in Lombok. I absolutely love Lombok. It's beautiful, the people are nice. I would come back here 100%. We are now going back to Kuta, but in Bali. We're gonna go there by speedboat. I think it's gonna take us like 4 hours to get there, not counting the taxi or whatever. Just having my morning coffee that Vlad made me, and then we're gonna get the day started.
Boys!
Will be missed.
Boys! Boys! Let's roll!
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Thank you, bye.
Hopefully we stay here soon again.
Make a house here.
The best seats in the back. I mean, the best floor in the back. Banana?
Yeah, it's not Lombok.
Yo. This guy, bro.
That takes 8 business days to process.
Yeah, that feels good.
No, he said, he looked at me, he's like,
Ship has landed. Back home, baby.
They have floaties.
David got his Meg outfit on. Yeah, you see that DJ Revenge
Nasze nóżki nowenkie budą.
Aha.
Merry Christmas, y'all. Oh.
Is it spicy? My mouth's already on fire from the chicken I
From
just
the
ate.
chicken? Yeah.
Is this spicy? No. Is it good though? Can I get one? 2 more.
Yo, buddy, step on it, step on it.
Last coffee shop here in Bali. Let's hope it's a good one. Doing our morning fix.
Plaid just ran out of gas in the middle of the street.
Yes, I have. Yeah, how many bottles?
That man sexy.
Those are tough. Wait up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hey guys, welcome to the last trip, last meal of Bali, guys. Can you imagine it? 3 weeks on this island, and this is our last meal. And we go to America, our land of the free and the home of the brave, and we're going back to our fellow Americans. I cannot wait. I can't wait to touch soil, the American soil, and feel the freedom again.
What?
There's a store right there.
Let's go.
I love how we randomly meet up.
Shoot, order food?
Places.
I'm good.
We literally met them at a traffic light randomly.
Yeah.
Who? Like we just like went off. I've never seen Eric laughing harder.
Mama, we did it.
I might have grabbed that one, but I think there was another one. Ask her if there's any extra help. Where's David? Was it only us 3 went and then David? Which would you like?
This is gonna be interesting.
David, is this a carry-on?
I wish we were flying in right now, but unfortunately we're not. Rip to my back, my sweaty self that hasn't showered in 3 days.
No comment.
Get her done. Eric was like, bro, this is where you ask you a bunch of questions. Like, act like you know what you're doing. Eric's ready to give his whole life interview.
I made it.
You know we're down bad.
Only thing open at 8 a.m. in Sydney, Australia.
4 a.m. in Bali. Midnight snack.
4 a.m.
We're past midnight. It's just
We're just cooked. I don't even know what time it is anywhere.
Don't feel pressured. Johnny Rocket, bro. New name for him. Sponsored by Johnny Rocket. Banger of a trip. Banger of a 3 weeks. Can't believe it's over. A great success.
Yeah.
Went smooth as butter.
We're back home.
Shaft Nation.
What? Why?
Can't feel my anus.
Baby, I'm not gonna go back.